This is a summary of the pressure washing job that I did on November 15th, 2022.
Okay, when I was looking at the forecast for the weather, I saw it wasn't even likely to warm up more than today until possibly next Wednesday, but you never even know if that's going to be correct. So I started with the gutters, cleaned out the gutters, and then power wash, basically the cobwebs. There's a lot of stuff on here that the power washer doesn't even touch. That oxidation, there's a few dents and stuff in here. And this over here, I don't know what this is, but power washer doesn't even touch it. I don't know if it's, I don't know. That does some kind of cleaner or something. But yeah, I've hit that twice. That I can get. It's just hadn't gotten back to it. So anyway, just letting you know the progress, and I've tried, but that up there, I cleaned. It's just some oxidation. It doesn't touch this, this stuff here. So anyway, it'll be hard to see the difference in the pressure washing. There's just some stuff is just oxidized, that aluminum. But the gutters they look way better. Clean them off, clean them out and off, both. And then that north side around there on the other side, that one looks majorly different.